Hi friends, today we are making Brazilian grilled queijo coalho mac and cheese, a creamy, smoky, bubbling cast iron version inspired by churrasco flavors. It is worth making because the requeijão makes the sauce silky, the queijo coalho browns beautifully, and the cassava farofa topping adds crunch. This recipe makes 4 servings and takes about 35 minutes. Ingredient walkthrough: 3 quarts water gives the pasta enough room to boil evenly before it goes onto the grill. 12 ounces elbow macaroni is the classic shape, because the curves hold the creamy sauce beautifully. 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon kosher salt seasons the pasta water and keeps the cheese sauce lively. 3 tablespoons unsalted butter, divided, starts the sauce and also makes the cassava topping rich and crisp. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour thickens the milk into a smooth sauce that can hold all the cheese. 2 cups whole milk make the sauce creamy without feeling too heavy. 1 cup requeijão cremoso, a Brazilian creamy cheese spread, gives the mac and cheese its signature silky texture. 8 ounces queijo coalho, shredded or cut small and divided, brings that salty Brazilian grilled cheese character. 4 ounces shredded mozzarella adds the stretchy melt that makes every spoonful satisfying. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese adds savory depth and helps the sauce taste fully rounded. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper cuts through the richness with gentle warmth. 1/4 teaspoon smoked paprika gives a subtle grilled color and a light smoky note. 1/2 cup toasted cassava flour makes a quick farofa-style topping, perfect for a Brazilian crunch. 2 tablespoons chopped parsley finish the dish with fresh color and a clean herbal lift. We begin by bringing 3 quarts water to a rolling boil in a large pot, then stirring in 1 tablespoon kosher salt and 12 ounces elbow macaroni. Cook the pasta until it is just firm, about 6 minutes, then drain it well so it is ready for the grill sauce. While the pasta drains, heat a covered grill to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for indirect cooking. Set a 10-inch cast iron skillet on the grill grates for 5 minutes so it gets hot enough to build the sauce. Now that the skillet is hot, add 2 tablespoons unsalted butter and let it melt. Whisk in 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour and cook for 1 minute, stirring the whole time, until it looks smooth and lightly foamy. With the roux ready, slowly whisk in 2 cups whole milk. Keep whisking for 3 to 4 minutes, until the milk thickens into a creamy sauce that coats the whisk. Now that the sauce has body, stir in 1 cup requeijão cremoso. Let it melt for about 1 minute, until the sauce turns glossy and completely smooth. Next, add 4 ounces of the queijo coalho, all 4 ounces shredded mozzarella, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan, the remaining 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon smoked paprika. Stir gently until the cheeses melt into a rich sauce. Now that the cheese sauce is smooth, fold in the drained macaroni. Stir from the bottom of the skillet until every elbow is coated and the pasta is evenly spread out. For the farofa crunch, mix 1/2 cup toasted cassava flour with the remaining 1 tablespoon unsalted butter in a small bowl. Rub them together until the cassava flour looks evenly sandy and buttery. With the macaroni level in the skillet, scatter the remaining 4 ounces queijo coalho over the top. This is the cheese that will soften, brown, and give us that grilled Brazilian flavor. After the queijo coalho goes on, sprinkle the buttery cassava flour evenly over the surface. Try to cover the whole skillet so every serving gets some crisp topping. Move the skillet to the indirect heat side of the grill, close the lid, and grill for 10 to 12 minutes. We are looking for bubbling edges, melted queijo coalho, and a golden cassava crust. When the mac and cheese is bubbling, slide the skillet closer to the hotter side for 2 minutes with the lid closed. This adds a little smoky toast to the edges without burning the bottom. Now carefully remove the skillet from the grill and let it rest for 5 minutes. The sauce will settle, the topping will stay crisp, and the skillet will be easier to serve from. To close the cooking, sprinkle 2 tablespoons chopped parsley over the top and serve the mac and cheese hot, while the center is creamy and the cassava farofa is still crunchy. And there it is, Brazilian grilled Queijo Coalho mac and cheese, smoky from the grill, creamy from the requeijão, and crunchy with that cassava farofa topping. It delivers the cozy mac and cheese comfort we promised, with a churrasco-inspired Brazilian twist. Serve it hot as a main dish or next to grilled meats and vegetables. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more delicious ideas.